Here, we're working on a social ad. This time, we're going to customize our bullets. This text uses a paragraph style called description. So we're going to go to Brand Kits in GraFx Studio. Locate the description paragraph style and click the Edit icon. Go to the Bulleted List tab and select your preferred bullet style. Since we want to customize our bullets, we're going to create and apply a character style. Let's rename it Bullets. We've got a lot of different customization options, but we're going to focus on color. We'll go with a white fill and a black stroke at 4 points. Now, go back to the description paragraph style, click the Bulleted List tab, and select the bullet character style. Close it, select your text, and head over to the Properties panel. Under Text, click the More Options icon and click the Bulleted List icon. That's it. Last but not least, if you'd like to customize your bullets even further, just go back to your character style and explore different options.